Byron Muso. Yun. Okay. Binigyan niya ako ng babango. Tsaka ito, pamalo ko sa cameraman. Gusto nila ng sample sample
Let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs.
Mayroon din tatlong bagay na dapat malaman sa papasok sa larangan ng pag-aasawa. Number 1, yung love. Pinakamagandang puhunan na gagamitin sa papasok sa larangan ng pag-aasawa, yung pag-ibig.
I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her. I found her. I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed.
Ayun! Dali! Cute ka na niya. Ay, kay mami. Thank you!
Just like a beautiful scent that stays long after it's been sprayed, your love stays with me wherever I go. I hope every time you wear it, you remember this day, our love and the beautiful journey we've been through. I love you always. Thank you. Actually, nung 7 years kami, may challenges sa relationship namin, in which that time, parang nag-separate kami. Sabi ko sa sarili ko that time, tama na, enough. And then, pinurso naman niya ako nung nag-stay away ako sa kanya. Then, I just realized na mahal ko yung tao kasi hindi ka at peace. Marami kang iniisip, what ifs, maraming what ifs. So, yun, nung pinurso naman niya ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, maybe I should give him second chance.
Not afraid of losing what I found. If all the fallen pieces hit the ground, I see it in your eyes.
Actually, pang third time ko bibigyan ka. Joke lang. First time. Una yung nanay ko eh. Pangalawa yung mga kapatid kong babae, syempre. Pakanta yung asawa ko ngayon. Di ba nabawi?
Kay Mama and Papa, thank you for raising us well. Maganda yung pagpapalaki niyo sa amin. And you give all your best for us to be what we are today now. Thank you for everything. And maraming salamat. And sana humaba pa yung buhay niyo para makita niyo yung apo niyo in the future. Thank you and I love you.
My dear Pangat, malalay. Pangs, this is it the day we've been waiting for. As what the Bible says in Isaiah 60:20, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. We've been together for 11 long years. And sabi nga nila, wala sa tagal or ikli ang pagsasama. Ng pagsasama ang pagpapakasal. It is a choice and the will of the Lord.
I have a piece of advice. So, I will borrow this word from Sir Edwin. So, Drew and Isa, Love one another, not love another one.
May asawa ka na, no? Sa dami-dami na nangyayari sa buhay, na pagsubok, andito ka anak, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Tandaan mo yun. Ayaw kong umiyak kasi tapos na eh. Kahit wala na si Papa, so pinanindigan ko na kayo. Nandito ako. Thank you, anak. Kasi sama-sama kayo lahat. Maraming salamat.
Aisha, this is my vow. We've walked through storms and sunshine, through laughter and tears, hand in hand. Life tested us, but love carried us. Today, I vow to stand by you, not just in the easy days, but especially in the hard ones.
I vow to stand with you, not only in the moments of joy, but in the shadows of uncertainty. I vow to hold fast to what matters most. Our connection, our commitment, and the quiet stubborn hope that we can weather anything together. I love you always and forever. Love, your wife.
And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Oh, through everything you spent, hand in hand, I'm yours. And I lay down everything, every part of me.
Ano bang masasabi ko sa iyo, Aisha? Wala, nasa kanya na lahat eh. Basta mahal na mahal ko siya yun. Hanggang ano ba susunod nito? Tapos yung sunod doon, hanggang 25 years, kung aabutin pa namin, hanggang 50 years. Magkasama pa rin kami. Siguro yung sinasabi nila kamatayan lang yung makakapaghiwalay sa amin. Ayun lang.
But there's one thing that I could not do. No, I wouldn't change a thing about you. But some days you wake up and feel like you need love. You can't see a smile in your eyes, not the way that I do. Don't ever feel worthless, just know that you're perfect. And I changed the world before I changed a thing about you. Na 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 na. Some days you don't feel beautiful. Some days you wanna change it all. Those are the things that caught my heart. I love you just the way you are.